Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling and reliability that won't break the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Toyota Corolla SE in classic silver metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, lane departure alert, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 2,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 1039B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.